I don't know if it's gonna start. Yay. Come on, baby. Just because the battery was, dead, but we drove it around. All right, Sunday morning off to church. The gas gauge is still only showing half a tank, so I think I'm gonna have to open it back up again, which was a pain because getting that thing closed all the way was a little bit of a pain. And see if like the float is stuck on something or one of the gas lines. We'll see. But other than that, we seem to have, solved that problem. I'm sure there'll be a new one. Happy Sunday. Good morning. Make your day. Oh gosh, listen to me, and I gotta go sing. It's the talking, I think. We went to a festival last night, and it was loud. There's a band playing, and we were just talking, and I think that's what did it. I gotta stop talking. Thank you, girl. Hey there, dude. Yeah, hi. I don't think you're going to be able to hear me that well because I'm driving in the car, but as I'm driving down the highway, I'm hearing cicadas because I'm entering the area where the current brood, the 13-year cicadas, have emerged. They have not emerged where I live at all, but yeah, I can hear them in my car as I'm driving. Again, I don't know if you can hear that, but that was the cicadas. Can you hear it? The next day. That's my weight loss database going back to 2018. So 7 years worth of scale data of the yo-yo up and down. I am happy though that Friday night, I kind of made the mental decision that I'm going to start taking it seriously. And we had graduation stuff on Saturday. But I wasn't the glutton that I have become again. Which is it's a thing. I have issues with food. Clearly, we've talked about it before on this channel. I can put up a video when I talked about how it's simple but not easy to lose weight, and you have to have a why. So I've kind of reformulated my why. I want to be healthy, and I'm just proud to say that today being, I felt like I clicked a button. I didn't. So Friday, I'm down, so I'm down like almost 6 pounds since Friday anyway, which is pretty impressive because it's Tuesday morning at 8:39. But, when you quit putting crap in your body responds. Lunchtime, baby. Oops. All right, get logged in. Jeesh, slacker. I was weighing myself, and then I just wanted to get ice, and the ice maker was all clogged up because whatever. You don't care. I've been up for a while. What are you doing, guy? He was like jumping around and stuff. I mean, you saw a little bit of it as soon as I started. There. What? Rolling? Now he's rolling. What is going on? And then I got a quick visit. How do they know? I get the phone out and they run away. And there's those two running away. Dude was looking at me and I get the phone out subtly and he's like, I'm out. See what I'm talking about? Now he's back to say like, what's that thing with the circle on it? Boom, he's gone. No, I don't have any food for you, sorry. In other wildlife news, there is a chipmunk right there. See it? There we go. Looking for crumbs from the bird feeder. And there he goes. Can't see him, but you can see things shaking. That reminds me, I gotta trim this hedge. You are curious today. I didn't get to show you the whole car before. I don't want to show their license plate. Cool. Whew. All right, got my half an hour in. I took a walk because, well, I'll tell you. I took a walk because I've been, doing well with the food this past 7 days. And I wanted to get some exercise in before I weighed myself this morning because I want to be officially down 10 pounds. So we'll see. Go on, get. Oh, you can't see it. What in the world is this piece of equipment rolling up the street? I have no idea. It's big, it's loud, it's interesting. Happy Friday.